Hello guys, hello everyone. Welcome back to PJ Tech World. This is a channel where we can get all tech related things. If you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe for more videos. So today I'm going to show you how to create Google Forms and how to share it and how to customize it. So whatever it may be. So how to create, how to create a proper Google form for different kind of uses. Okay, so let's get started. Before going to create a Google form, so you have to log in your Gmail account first. Here I have already signed into my Gmail account. This is my Gmail account. So after that go to new tab like this and type here Google form, and the first option is like Google Forms free online surveys for personal use. Click on this, drop down, click on go to Google Forms. Make sure you have to log in into your Gmail account before going to create Google Forms. So I have already created one Google form here, so it's showing like this. If you have any Google Forms already, you have created any Google form in your account by this Gmail account, you can see all Google Forms here. If you want to create new Google form, start a new form, click on blank page. It will be redirected to new Google form page. So this is the place where we can create Google form for any kind of use cases. Okay, so this is the title. So if you want to give any title for your Google form, you can give a proper title. PJ Tech World. This is my title for my Google form, and give description here. Double click on this. It will be allowed. It will be allowed to type to give data. Tech channel. So this is the title part. And coming to question part. So if you click on this, this is the first question. If you double click on this, you can write what is your name. This is my first question. You can select here whether it is a short answer question or multiple choice question or anything. So this is name kind of questions or short answers only. So I'm selecting keeping like this only, but you can select anything, multiple choice or anything, any type of answer you can select. So I'm going with short answer, and you can click on this option by, if you want to duplicate it, you can delete it. So this is the required option. If you want to make it as a required, like you can you may see the star options, required options like that. So if you want to use the star option for this question, you can enable it. So this is required. Now it become as a required question. This is my first question. If you want to add another question, click on plus symbol here. It will give option for another question. Type what is your age. You can give multiple choice or short answer. I'm going with multiple. This time I'm going with multiple choice. Select option 1, double click on option 1, 10, and click on this for second option, or click on add other option here, 20, here are my 4 options. One is 10, one is 20, one is 30, fourth one is other option. So this is also required one, so I'm selecting required. So this is my Google form. My title is PJ Tech World, and description Tech channel, and what is your name and what is your age. This is a short and sweet Google form. This is how we can create Google form. Now if you want to preview, if you want to see, so how it's going like this. If you want to see this preview of this Google form, you can click on this I symbol. So click on this I symbol, you can see preview of your Google form. See my Google form title and the star required. So we are selected like we are opted for required option, that's why it's showing like star option. Okay, we want to customize this Google form, you can click on this customize theme, and this is theme part. If you want to put any theme for this Google form, click on this choose image. Here themes will be appeared, so you can select your own theme by uploading here, or you can select Google themes, by default Google themes. So you can select anything. I'm going with this theme and click on insert, so it will be applied for my Google form. And background color, theme color, I'm selecting this theme color, and background color I'm going with this one, and that's it. And if you want any different kind of style for text, you can select. I'm going with basic here, that's it. This is how we can customize. See, now go to preview, click on preview, you can see your customization part also along with Google form. So this is my customized Google form, that's it. This is my customized Google form. Okay, so we have done creation of Google form, customization. Now if you want to share, if you want to send to anyone, if you want to share to anyone, if you want to share to users or any kind of people, you can share it by clicking on this send option. Click on send. Here you can see you can send this Google form via email or via a particular link. So lot of options here. So if you are going with email, you can select your email here, you type your email here and send. Click on send, that's it. If you are going to share with this link, a particular link, you can copy this link and share to your friends. If you want to make it as a short URL, you can select this short URL and copy this. You can share this link to anyone so that they can see your Google form. Simple. See, so I just copied my shareable Google form link, pasted here, and I can see Google form. So this is the way you can create and customize and share. Okay. So you have done creation of Google form and customization of Google form, sharing of Google form. Now if you want to see responses from your Google form, from your clients or students, so whenever they submitted their responses, okay, click on this responses, you can see your responses for your Google form, but you didn't get any responses till now, that's why there are no responses. So if you want to submit response, so I'm just pasting Google form link, just submitting response. What is your name? PJ take word, days 20, that's it. I'm just going to submit this Google form, submitted. So your response has been recorded, submit another response. If you want to make another response, you can click on this, that's it. Now you can see this response in your Google form account. See, so just now submitted my response through Google form, I can see that response. Name is PZ Tech World, this is only just given. And what is your age? One response, 10 blue and 20 red. So I just given 20, my age 20, that's it, showing orange. I think it's orange. So this is creation of Google form and sharing and customizing, and you can see response also. So this is how you can create Google forms. Thank you guys, thank you for watching.